Good afternoon, this is Elpus Creations 2021. This is my Shaman Oracle reading for Saturday, but I do start today. Today is Friday, in order to get the uploads easier done, since the weekends they are always busy on YouTube. So today I'm reading for Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, and Virgo. And this reading here is for Leo. Welcome, Leo. We are using Forest Magic and Archangel Animal Oracle cards. And the reading starts with the Forest Magic card. Out for you came Parsley. And the message is that the common parsley, also known as the devil's oatmeal, was once said to have ventured to the underworld and back 9 times before parsley did sprout. These days, parsley is known for its protective properties, and it is boosting intelligence and creativity as well as clarity of thought. Parsley lends itself well to any kitchen witchery. You can add a sprinkle of it over just about any savory dish that you are cooking to offer protection to you and your family. If you would like to be a bit more deliberate, you can also whisper your intentions as you do so. So whisper the intentions you have to your parsley. For example, that everyone has a good day and also a good next day. Parsley is simple but powerful magic. And yes, parsley adds its freshness to any delicious meal. Now we come to the Archangel Animal card. Out came the dog, and I'm so happy because my sister is a Leo and she loves dogs. She is a dog person and she has 2 dogs, and this card also shows 2 dogs. And the card says, be disciplined in your home and in your community life. The message is that all canines, the wolves, the foxes, the domestic hounds, and others, they originate from Sirius, where the gold ray of Christ is kept, says the book. They incarnate to bring this unconditional love energy to the earth and to pass this pure light to other animals and to people. So the dogs, they are mainly learning about various forms of family structures. The spiritual purpose of the domestic dogs is to be companions to us humans. They have surrendered the familiarity of their own kind in order to support human beings. They are giving and receiving love while they are learning and teaching about discipline and loyalty. Foxes are learning the art of adaptability, whereas the dingoes and all wild dogs are developing independence, resourcefulness, courage, and a sense of adventure. all dogs are loyal to their families and they are selfless protectors. When you receive this card, you are invited to look at the structure of your family life and your friendships, including those with your work colleagues. Are you loyal to each other? Do you respect each other? And do you all relate to each other for the highest good? Are you disciplined or are you chaotic in your lifestyle? Your family reflects you and you should be loyal to them and also to yourself. You are reminded that spiritual discipline is the foundation for true happiness and joy. It is the keystone of ascension. The dog card wants you to know that when you consistently practice your spiritual techniques, then you can be adaptable, courageous, and you can develop a sense of adventure and lots of fun. Your entire life can expand based on this solid foundation as self-control confers safety. You can then walk forward in joy and in bliss. That was the reading for you, Leo. Thank you for listening. Wishing you a beautiful Friday, a beautiful weekend, and I will visit my sister on Sunday and she will cook something delicious for me. So I'm looking forward to that event. You all stay safe, sending lots of love out. Take care and goodbye.